AI feels like magic, right up until it just freezes on you. And when it freezes, your user doesn't blame the AI model. They blame your app. You're staking your product's reputation on outside tools you don't even control. On the left, the tool works and the user's happy. On the right, the tool hangs and the user's mad. Look at this chart. User drop-off spikes the second a loading spinner passes 3 seconds. Picture yourself driving out to a remote cabin for the weekend. You're round a corner and the main bridge is completely washed out. If there aren't any detour signs, you just sit in the mud staring at the gap. In system design, we call this setup fallback routing. It covers things like bad tool calls, API timeouts, and rate limits. First, you spot the gap. Next, you read the detour sign. Finally, you take the dirt road. The primary tool hits a timeout tripwire, which routes the request to a fallback tool and then back to the user. Sometimes you build a quick retry loop, but you can't just loop forever. But here's the catch with large language models. A human driver knows a bridge is broken just by looking at it. But an AI? It'll happily wait at the gap for 10 minutes unless you code a hard stop. Let's say you're building a travel agent bot. The live flight search API times out and fails. Your fallback route kicks in, so the conversation's still moving. The live tracker's down, but I can check your confirmation code instead. Your first move is to force a hard timeout on every single external tool. 3 seconds is usually a good limit. Your second move is to write a specific fallback prompt for when that exact tool fails. You stack these fallback rules one by one until your whole app is covered. Build the detour before the bridge washes out. That's it for today. Next up, we'll talk about handling bad user inputs.